this is Joe Jurek. Welcome back to Real Estate Investing Adventures. Why? Because real estate is fun and it always should be an adventure. If you're a return guest, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Who the heck am I? My name is Joe Jurek and I get to travel all over the country and work with people just like you, trying to get started in real estate or take their real estate investing to the next level. In this video, I'm going to introduce my playlist on making the offer. So often as I work with people, they tell me about potential deals that they found. They tell me about the deal. They tell me about the location. They tell me about what they like about the property, what they don't like. And then when I ask them what they offered, they say they didn't. Now, in some cases, they're not sure what they're going to do with the property. They're not sure how to calculate renovation costs. They're nervous. They're afraid. They don't know what to do. They don't know what the next step is. So I've put together this video playlist to help you, number one, to make the offer, to make multiple offers, to make counter offers. The more offers you make, the more chance of getting a deal you have. The other cliche I love is great deals are created by the offer you make. So you want to remember that. So I took a lot of my videos that I've done over the years, I've put them together in this video playlist on making offers. I will continue to add to this playlist over time, so check back to look for new videos. Go through the entire playlist, and I hope you enjoy the tips and strategies and techniques that I talk about through the various videos. Now, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, down here in the corner, you're going to see a little subscribe button. You'll want to do that. You can go ahead and check the bell off at the top there, so anytime I do a video, you'll get it. And my videos often will contain additional little tidbits and tips that I call golden nuggets. So I hope you enjoy these videos, and I hope you get out there and make your dreams a reality. Take care, believe and achieve. Bye-bye.
Do it now. Believe and achieve. Take care.